Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Do It with Diana. Today we are going to be doing the BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm very excited because this month's box theme was BoxyCharm Au Naturale. As you can see, I am in my Au Naturale glory. I haven't done my makeup or anything like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and film this. First, I want to just go ahead and start with these two products right here, which is the ELEMIS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask and the Kogendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all the morning gunk off with this, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with the thing that we got in BoxyCharm last month, which is the Clean Bionic Dr. Brandt pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. That's still a mouthful. If you guys saw my other video, you guys know it took me forever to go ahead and pronounce this. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe my face, wash my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and try the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this with the LUXIE brush 510, which is actually a foundation brush, but I'm going to be using it to apply this. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so the Kogendo, again, I'm going to have trouble pronouncing this. If you guys know how to pronounce it, please put it down in the comments because I feel like I'm butchering the name. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these. These actually retail for $17, and they are spa cleansing water cloths. It says these are convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths to remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral rich cleansing spa water. So as you guys can see, I have a little bit leftover makeup from last night. Last night I was just feeling a little bit lazy and didn't want to take all my makeup off. These are a little bit dry. I can already feel it. And I'm trying not to scrub. I know that a lot of people say don't like scrape your face with this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I sometimes scrape. What are you gonna do? I know it like damages skin, and as you guys can see, I'm like prone to breakouts. But yeah, so I went ahead and clean this, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the part that I use the Dr. Brandt cleanser, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and use the ELEMIS mask. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and wash my face. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the mask, and I don't know if I said this already, but the mask, the ELEMIS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, does go ahead and retail for $35. And what it says on here, it has, let me see on here. It says, feed the skin with this versatile super green mask with avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support skin's moisture balance. Okay, broccoli. Never seen that in a mask before, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And let's see. So as you guys can see, it's like closed, it's sealed. Make sure your stuff is always sealed. You never know who will tamper it, especially with these videos going on now of people spitting in freaking Arizona teas and in like licking ice cream. Like, what is that? Like, why? Why do you want to do that? Ugh, I don't know. So yeah, make sure your stuff is sealed because you never know what kind of crazies are out there spitting in food, licking food. It's crazy. Okay, so I feel like I should wet this. Okay, so I wet the brush. Probably not a good idea to wet it, but we'll see. And then let me see what the mask says. Ooh, it feels nice. And I'm gonna get some on my eyebrows. I always get some on my eyebrows when I'm doing masks. I try not to, but it always happens every time. Okay, hold on. So let me go ahead and see this. It says apply mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. Again, I don't know if you guys know, but for masks, I don't like to say, well, I mean, I've never tried a mask on this channel, but for masks, it's always best to go ahead and give it a few tries before you go ahead and say whether you like it or not, or see if it works for your skin. Because for all I know, this could burn my skin off right now, and I could have no more skin. But also, on the plus side, for all I know, if I keep using this mask, it could get rid of like my acne scars that you guys saw in there, and my breakouts could be less, so you never know with a mask. And I mean, some people are allergic to certain things in the mask. Ooh, I feel it tingling. Is it supposed to? Oh yeah, okay. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Okay, damp, dark. I mean, I use this to wipe my face, so I'll probably just use this. Okay, let me get some in there. Oy, I got some innuendos. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait 10 minutes and then I'll be back to go ahead and get this out of my face. Okay, hold up. I wanna make sure I have that like, that, oh, well, I keep messing it up. Oh, well. Oh, there's some on the brush. Okay. All right, so I'll be back and I'll go ahead and dampen this gray cloth that I have right here and let you go. Ooh, it is tingling. Like not a bad tingle, but just like a tingle. Okay, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Hey guys, so okay, it has been 10 minutes and I went ahead and dampened my cloth on here instead of black or dark cloth because it does tend to stain. I finished reading the rest of the packet. So I went ahead and dampened the gray cloth that I have on here and it just says to wipe off. That's very odd for me personally, just because I don't know, I feel like it's wasting the product. I'd rather just have it like be washed onto my skin. But I can tell you guys that my face does go ahead and feel very clean. It feels like an avocado, to be honest with you guys. Like, you know, when you eat an avocado, I know that sounds weird. When you guys eat an avocado and like you feel like the oils of the avocado, it's like I can smell the avocado on my face and I feel like an avocado. So that's me now, an avocado. So, okay, so I did go ahead and take all this off. As you can see, I didn't need to moisten the whole thing because most of it just came here. I don't know. I feel like all of it came off already. Am I missing any spots? Maybe. I'm probably missing a couple spots. Okay. So my face does go ahead and feel super clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off real quick. It feels nice though. It feels smooth. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and rinse this off real quick. Okay, so I did just go ahead and rinse the rest of this off and just like lathered it onto my skin a little bit. I'm gonna use the other side of this cloth to just, I guess, just go like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my makeup. As you guys can see, I already have my basic makeup done, my brows, my foundation and everything. I actually have been doing stuff around the house, so it looks a little sweaty, but I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed, so let's go ahead and jump into the video and get this started. This box is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. It does go ahead and come with 6 different shades, as you guys can see here. These are more of the warm tones, and this is the blue tone that it has right here. I'm not really liking this blue tone just because it does not go with my skin tone and it is a little bit too bright, but we're gonna go ahead and do a quick eyeshadow look with this product. And then to go ahead and apply this product, I'm going to be using the third product that is in the box. That is the LUXIE Gaea 3-piece brush set that does come in this recyclable package. And it does come with the 3 brushes. It comes with the LUXIE 250, the large eye blending shadow brush, the LUXIE 246 precision crease, and the LUXIE 510 foundation. However, I will be using the foundation. As you guys can see, I already used it in the ELEMIS to apply the mask. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are what the brushes look like. It is still with that pink signature LUXIE brush that they always use. However, it is more of a wooden instead of like the usual acrylic that they use. So let's go ahead and get this started with the first one. I am going to be using some of my own brushes as well, just because. So this is the LUXIE 250, the large blending, and I'm going to use this first shadow right here called Enchantress to go ahead and just apply to my lid. And then I have my little handy dandy mirror right here where I will be using this to go ahead and get this applied. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys. That way this video isn't so long. And then you guys can go ahead and see the finished eye look, okay? Hey guys, so for now I did only use the Enchantress down here and Temptress to create like that smoky eye look, and I am trying to go ahead and create that effect since it is more of a neutral palette. It is blending very quickly, however it does have fallout. If you guys can see here, there's fallout when I do that, and there's a little bit of fallout on the palette itself, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue this and just show you guys the finished look. Hey guys, so this is the finished eye look. I went ahead and applied mostly all of them minus the blue one. Of the shades, I used the Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, and Temptress to go ahead and finish this. And I did use some of my regular brushes that I got at Target. This is the Sophia Kashunk. And then next is the Luna by Luna lip gloss that they went ahead and included. And I did already go ahead and use it earlier today because I wanted to see how it looked. And I really like the color. This specific color is called Mars, and I love the little packaging that comes with it, the little stars. It does go really well with, I guess, her brand, which is Luna by Luna, which means, I don't know, for those of you guys that don't speak Spanish, it means moon by moon. But I really like this color. It is very neutral. I haven't applied any lipstick. I feel like if I put some lipstick on top of it, it would look even better. I just went ahead and had my chapstick on that I use, and I applied this. But I love this color because it is very natural and it just gives your lips that little like pop of color. But yeah, this one actually retails for $18, and it is a full-size product. And I completely forgot to tell you guys how much the LUXIE brushes cost. So this 3-piece set does go ahead and retail for $30, and then the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette retails for $32. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my July Plan With Me, which I already filmed, but then I forgot to edit it and upload it before it was July. We're already on the second week of July almost, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the next video that I will post. If you like it, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, feel free to give it a thumbs down. Feel free to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you guys are aware whenever I go ahead and upload a new video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much.